how to set reminder in Outlook in 2025. So if you want to set reminder in your Outlook in 2025, then first you need to open up your Outlook application. After opening your Outlook, now you just need simply go with the calendar, which is on the top left. Once you're on your calendar, you'll have this kind of interface. So you just need simply go and select a date in which you would like to set a reminder. Like for example, I'll go with July 7. And once you've selected the date, you just need simply go with new appointment, which is on the top left, and it will give you this kind of interface. Now you just need simply go and enter the title of the reminder. And after entering the title, you can go with the start time and the end time. You can go with all day if it's all day, or if it's recurring, you need to go and select reoccurring, or you can also select the time zones. You can go with the location and add the location if you want to. And then here on the top, you will have some options. You can go with show as, and you can go with free, busy, or out of office, or any option that you're comfortable with. And then you will have the reminder section. Under reminder, you can also add some sounds on your reminder, and you will have up to 2 weeks. From 0 minutes or from none to 2 weeks, you can select any one of these reminders. Like for example, I'll go with 5 minutes. And then you can select a reoccurrence, and under reoccurrence here you will have the appointment time, the start time, the end time, and then the duration, the reoccurrence pattern. If you want to go with the appointment every week or per week, you can go and select the week and then the day of the week and the range of reoccurrence. After that, go with OK. And once you've done, you need to go with save and close. And that's it. As you can see, that the reminder has been set. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.